Hi, my name is Susan Lambert. I'm the Vice President of CKLA. I'm so excited that you've just received your Amplify CKLA Experience Kit. It's an exciting opportunity for you to experience just a little bit about CKLA teaching and learning in a small time frame. You'll see that the lessons within this box help your students engage in and understand what CKLA instruction is all about as you go on an adventure of a lifetime. What you won't see in this box is complete lessons from start to finish or a complete unit from start to finish. The reason for that is we wanted you to really get into the heart and the essence of CKLA instruction and give it an opportunity alongside your current ELA program. So what's included in your box? Well, your box includes 5 days of instruction that will help you really dig into the CKLA program and experience it in a small way. The first thing that you'll see in your box is this welcome letter that will give you an introduction to why we created the box, what's inside the box, and it will give you a list of things that are included in the box. You'll want to pick up your Experience Kit field guide, which actually includes the 5 days of instruction along with annotations to help you understand the CKLA instruction and some of the elements of it. Inside this teacher's field guide is 1 week's worth of adventure and instruction in CKLA, and the first place you'll want to turn to is the table of contents so you can understand the kind of instruction you're going to be delivering to your students and the things that you'll need to have to deliver that instruction. And so you'll also see envelopes inside of your box, and these are all labeled by day. So day 1 will correspond to day 1 in your teacher field guide, and you will have all the materials you need inside this envelope to help you in the teaching and learning process. Also inside of the box are student readers, a sample of our student readers. You'll receive 25 copies of this reader, and this reader will go alongside the instruction as you teach CKLA in your class. We're excited that you're getting a chance to see what these student readers look like because they're powerful readers that help engage your students, become confident readers, and they're really great stories. So you're probably wondering what you'll experience when you actually deliver this instruction for 5 days. And I'll tell you, you're going to experience some really unique and exciting opportunities. Again, it's an adventure for your students. They're going to understand the importance of learning to decode and encode, meaning how to read and how to write different sound spelling patterns. You're going to see your students engaged in text in a really exciting way, in ways that they can explore and they can learn and become confident readers. And you're going to introduce your students to different lands, similar stories, which is literature from around the world in a comparing and contrasting environment. You're going to see your students engage in dialogue and discussion in ways that you've never experienced before. And at the end of the instruction, I think you're going to find out that you want to introduce your students to even more. Once you're done teaching your Amplify CKLA Experience Kit, I encourage you to reach out to your local Amplify contact or go online to amplify.com to request more information. We would love to have you sample an entire CKLA unit and learn more about the entire CKLA program. I know you and your students are going to enjoy your adventures in CKLA, and thank you very much for bringing the world to your classroom.